Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui Scar H. Lovely looking guns. This one has got a, well, it's a bit complicated, custom house for level 2 build. We've, according to this paperwork, we've accidentally installed a level 3, which is an extra Tightbore barrel. But we've kind of gone through all the process of obviously getting the FPS dialed in and installing different springs to get to your required FPS. So hopefully you're okay with the paying for the extra barrel there, and that's not going to be not too much of an inconvenience. I suppose if we had to, we could obviously take it out, but we just have to run back through that testing, and obviously ideally it's kind of spot on as is. Plus, you know, who doesn't want a extra Tightbore barrel, you know? So but obviously I'm here to demonstrate it working and you know, firing and all that. Obviously it's just got an EagleSix M100 spring plus a couple of spacers to reach your required FPS. We've got Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Firefly Hop Rubber and Prometheus Flat Nub, and we've tested at range, and then we've done obviously a rebuild and any AOE adjustments necessary. So we're just going to demonstrate it now. Obviously, we've got no MOSFETs, no motors or anything like that, so like I said, it's relatively simple, this one. So it's running on I've just stuck a 1300 7.4 in there, and you can see the Dean's modification we've done there, and then obviously our custom fuse block cover. You see it? Just basically gives you loads of room there, if you know what I mean, to just kind of push it flat with the Dean's. There we go. So all tested. Hopefully everything's okay. I'll send you the link for this video, and if you could just check over everything, like I say, let us know about that barrel. Hopefully everything's all right, and then we can get this coming your direction. Excellent. Thank you.